Hello guys, welcome back to one more tutorial. So in this tutorial, as per said, we are going to display the cart list item in the cart activity. So as per previously I said, to retrieve whatever be the node from the database, we need to follow 5 steps. So let us follow those 5 steps in this tutorial, and let us follow first, second and third in this tutorial, and last two in the next tutorial, because the video length may be so long and it is hard to view entirely. So first let us create the first step, which is the layout. So to retrieve anything from database, we need to follow 5 steps. The first thing is we need to design the layout for it. Layout plus source file, and it is called product item layout. Now we are going to name it as cart item layout. Yeah, cart item layout is designed. And now what we are going to do is, for this, it is cart view. For instead of this, we can just go here and we can just copy it. It is just copy, and we can paste it right here. Yeah, it is now card view, and what we can do is, it is background. There will be color primary dark, and I don't know why it's not still change color. So we need to add something to our card list. So card view. After this, the margin will be 15 dp, and the elevation will be also 15 dp. Yeah, it is now good. And now let us add the text view for it, and how we want to display in the cart list is, and let us check what are the things to be listed in the cart view. So we have these many. We have to display the usage, and we no need to display the weight and quantity, usage, quantity, price, name, and I think that's enough. We no need to display the description here. Yeah, let us first create a relative layout. Match parent, wrap content. The height should be wrap content, and here the background is color primary dark, and here it should have a text view. Right now it is also match parent, height is wrap content. Yeah, we can add the text right now, and the text is, first we need to display the name. Size should be 20 sp. Yeah, sp. And alignment, it is center horizontal true, and wrap content. Yeah, it is now okay. It is now at the center, and now we need to change the color of it to the white, and the white color is good. And what else do we need to do? Yeah, we need to give the ID of it. So before giving the ID, let us see what are the things we needed. Yeah, everything is fine. Wait a minute, and we can just close it. And now what we can do is we can copy and paste it for 3 more times, and name, we have the quantity, and we have the price. And what else do we have is name, quantity, price, and usage. And duration also is better. Duration, we no need wait around, so we can pass the duration also. Yeah, duration is also there. Yeah, that's it. Now everything is fine. Now we can give the ID for it. ID is cart, which is cart quantity, and we can give the ID for it as, and we can give first for this. ID is name, cart name, and we can, it is at the top, it is below, it is below cart name, and it is, this ID is price, cart price, and this is below, and it is below cart quantity. Yeah, it is correct. Now here what it is below. First let us write the below, it is cart price, it is below the cart price, and we can just write the ID name. ID name is cart usage, and now one more is, it is below cart, which is, and we need to be below cart usage, and now the ID is cart duration. Yeah, now it's perfect. Yeah, now this is our first step which is done, and now let us do the second step. Yeah, now it's perfect. It is name, quantity, price, usage, and duration. This is enough for cart list. And now the second step is we need to create the model class for it of the name, same variable name. So this is the first step. Let us create the second step right now. New Java class. We can name it as cart. Yeah, it's now perfect. Here what we need to do is we need to get these IDs. So here what I would like to do is, if we have these 5 items it is enough, but instead of these 5 I'm gonna get everything, because in future it may help in somewhere in some situation, so we no need to recode again. We have date, description, and duration, name, date, description, product ID, and we have price, and we have quantity, and we have time, and we have usage, and we have weight. That's it, I think so. Yeah, it will have I think 12 things and 10 things. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Yeah, no, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, because in the products we don't have the quantity, and in the cart we have quantity. That is the major difference, and nothing else is difference. So let us create the constructor like the previous one. We need to go to generate, where it is, it's here, constructor, generate the constructor, and we need to generate constructor for all the string variables. So just generate it, And here we have to generate the getter and setter. Just click enter. Yeah. Now second step is over. This is our model class and we need to create the view holder, which is cart view holder, and new where it is Java class. Yeah, it is called as cart view. Wait a minute, guys. Yeah, it is called as cart view holder. Hmm. Just create it. So this is our third step, and it should extend Recyclerview dot view holder, and it should implement view dot on click listen. Yeah, it's now perfect. Alt plus enter, implement methods, click enter, Alt plus enter, and just go here, Alt plus enter, create constructor. Yeah, that's it. And now everything is fine. So we can just copy it from here. We have a public listener. Just copy this listener and we can paste it here. We are implementing the interface here, which is this one. We are implementing the interface. Now we have, yeah, we have this set item click listener. We need to copy it and we can paste it right here. And one thing to tell guys, if you have already done your code once in somewhere else, you can just copy and paste it. We don't need to waste our time. Just keep in mind. That's funny, it seems so. And yeah, we need to create a text view because we have only text view here. We have 5 text view here and we are going to create 5 text view here. It's going to be text, cart, name. Yeah, we have not written the text view. It is text, cart name, and we have to paste it for the 5 times. And now we have name, price, quantity, and what else do we have is name, price, quantity, and we have something called usage, and we have description. Do we have description? I think it's no. What it is? Name, quantity, price, usage, duration. Yeah, we have duration. We need to add the duration when it will be delivered. Yeah, it's now perfect. Now what else do we have is text cart name equal to item view dot find view by id or dot id dot, it is called as cart name. Yeah, right now it is cart name. And what else we need to do is we need to copy it for paste it for 5 times. We have the text cart price, we have the text cart quantity, and we have the text cart usage, and we have text cart duration. And right now we have cart price, we have cart quantity, we have cart usage, we have cart duration. Yeah, that's it. And yeah, we need to implement this on click method. We can just copy it and just paste it right here. Because whenever it is on click, we need to get the adapter position and we need to pass it to the on click and we can perform some operation. So these are the first 3 steps. So we have completed the 3 steps and now it is okay. and we can do the remaining two, and we have completed the four steps also. I mean, let me show you. Yeah, we have completed the four steps, that is we have designed the cart activity also, and only thing remaining is we need to implement in the cart activity. We can do it in the next tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial.